Hey everybody, this is David from Train Day, and today we're going to create training for one of the top 10 most frequent cited standards from OSHA, which is fall protection from construction, right? So here I dug through OSHA and I found this PDF for you, fall protection in construction. It's a pretty long PDF document, and we want to create some micro learning video course based on this document. So what I'm going to do is go to trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And I'm going to create, let's do a fall protection. Let's just write it out, right? Fall protection in construction, right? And we're going to use a PDF. And I'm going to go ahead and download this PDF to my desktop. And then we're going to go ahead and use it to create our training, right? So I'm going to put this on my desktop. Then I'm going to go back to Train Day. I'm going to place it right here. And you can see this is the PDF, right? So we're going to say use this data. And we're going to create a theme for our training course. And let's just go ahead and use this theme, right? Now the AI is going to create us some samples. They're going to be great. They're going to get us about 70 to 80% of our desired outcome. And then we're going to personalize it from there. And we should be about 90% of our desired outcome, which will make it 10 times easier for us to create our training, right? And it will create a nice interactive quiz and some great video scripts for our presenter to say during the entire presentation. And you can personalize it a little bit more after that, translate it in 30 different languages, or even add your own presenters, even cloning anyone from your team into the software, right? Then we can export it to SCORM compliant course or PowerPoint, or use our in-house LMS. Just add your learners and track all of their retention with quiz scores and progress throughout the course. So here are our samples, and let's see what we got. Okay, this looks pretty different. This looks pretty good here because it has some nice backgrounds. Some are different than others, and we could just change the presenter. So we're actually going to choose this one right here, and that looks like it's pretty close to our desired outcome. So I think we'll be pretty satisfied with that one. And we're going to change the presenter out, maybe for a couple of slides, and add another little knowledge check in between our presentation just to track the retention of our learners, right? So here's our course right here, right? So we'll click on that. I'm going to go ahead and rename it. So fall protection training, right? And let's just kind of customize a little bit. It actually looks pretty good though. So we're gonna go right here. Let's get, I think this person that we have is okay. So we'll just keep this presenter here. Maybe we'll move it around just a little bit. Put the font up here, right there. And maybe we'll get a different presenter. So maybe we'll add this guy, right? And let's apply style to all slides. And now we should be pretty close. All right, this is actually looking pretty good. So we're going to add a quiz, and we're going to add it after the third slide, right? And we're going to generate some questions. And I want to generate the questions based on the last two slides combined, right? I could use a PDF, a CSV file, or just plain text, but we're going to use these two slides. I click next, and we're just going to do 6 questions. So now it's going to generate our questions, multiple choice, and here we go. Here's our 6 questions. These look pretty good, and that should set it up for us. So I think we're pretty close. You can even check your video scripts here. And our final quiz right here is based on the entire course, right? So all the slides combined. So that looks pretty good. We got our slides, we got our knowledge check right here. We can go ahead and add our learners. I only have 1 learner. Hopefully we have more than that. And now that we're ready, if we don't need to translate it, then we're just fine with the language we have. We can go ahead and start to generate our slides. I can click right here and say, yes, I want to include captions. And that'll take about 10 minutes, but you can generate as many slides as you want, all at the same time. When they're all done, everybody can take the course, and you can track their progress right here in the dashboard. So here I am, fall protection program, right? So Hopefully you had a good time watching it. Hope you learned a lot, and I can't wait to see what you build with training day. Keep everybody safe and up to date safety training. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.